Welcome to Chibuzor Mathphysics. I'll be taking you through part 5 of limit and trying to evaluate the limit and determine whether they are continuous or not. Here we have a question, and you know what we usually do. You have to evaluate whether the limit from the left hand side is equal to the limit from the right hand side, and if both are equal, then the limit exists. If they are not equal, then there is no existence. Let's see. Here we have question given to us that let g of x be x to the exponent of 1 over 3. Our function g of x is given by x to the 1 over 3, and you are to show that g is continuous at x equals to 0. To show that, you need a prerequisite knowledge, which I told you from part 1 of this video. Now, if you are given a function to show that g of x or f of x is continuous as a certain number, we can only prove continuity by using limit first. Find the left hand limit and next find the right hand limit. If both the limits exist and the limit value equal to the functional value, then g will be continuous. So the limit must be equal to the functional value, which means that the limit from the left hand side should be equal to the limit from the right hand side. That is, limit as x approaches 0 from the negative of this function g of x will be equals to the limit as x turns to 0 from the positive, and all of them will be equal to the limit as x turns to 0 of this function g of x, which is g of 0. So if we put the limit, if we evaluate from the left hand side, we will have 0, because our limit as x turns to 0 from the negative will be limit as x turns to 0 of this function x raised to power 1 over 3. So if you put 0 to the power over 3, 1 over 3, you will get 0. It means that from the left hand side, the solution is 0, and from the right hand side, you will still get 0, because you will still have 0 raised to the power of 1 over 3, which will be 0. So therefore, we have limit from the left hand side is equal to the limit from the right hand side, because left is 0 and right is 0, meaning that the limit continues at x equals to 0, and that is all. So for you to evaluate some certain limit, you need to make sure that the limits from both sides are equal, and if they are equal, then your limit exists. Otherwise, all the best. I remain your friend, Galagash. Subscribe if you are new to this channel so that you'll be notified as we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.